Welcome to 𝐒𝐿𝐤𝐫𝐢 Yoga. I'm Jen. This video is a follow-up to one I made a year ago about the best yoga mats. I'll leave a description in the caption below. And this is about the Manduka Extra Long ProLite. I've been gifted an extra long mat, not for the purposes of this video, but for a different social media thing. And I wanted to just give a quick little comparison. And this is it. It's 79 inches long versus the 71 of a normal yoga mat. I'm only 5'2.5", so I'm not very tall. Lengthwise, laying down on a normal yoga mat is not a problem. If you were taller, an extra long mat might be extremely useful for everyday practice. But for somebody who is vertically challenged, this mat is actually great for things like splits. Not super warmed up, but I can get all the way down into the splits, and the top of my foot and the heel of the opposite foot are both on the mat versus having one hanging off on the floor and one on the mat. So as far as the ProLite versus the Pro goes, the ProLite is 4.7 millimeters thick and the Pro is 6 millimeters thick. I do have a Pro that I purchased myself, not an extra long, just a regular Pro Manduka mat. I do love it. It is heavier. I don't know that I would pay to get a Pro versus a ProLite. I do travel with my mat a lot, so having a ProLite is a lot easier to transport to and from places. There's a lot less weight on your shoulders if you have to carry it around. So for comparison purposes, the regular size Manduka mat is 71 inches. The extra long is 79 inches. I busted out a regular size Manduka ProLite. There is an 8-inch difference between the two. This regular size mat is just over 71 inches, just like it says, and then the Pro XL is almost 79.5 inches, so it's a little bit bigger than listed. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.